Alright, in order to make your color wheel, you're going to start off first of all by filling in the primary colors of red, yellow, and blue. Paint those first. You're going to have 3 different brushes. You don't want to mix anything with those because you have those available. Now for the secondary colors, the in-between colors, we're going to have to mix. So with your plate, and maybe even your messy mat, you might have to do a little mixing here today to get those colors. So in order to make orange, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to take my red brush, and what I like to do is I like to make it off to the side. So I'm going to take a little red here, kind of bring up a little bit here, and then I want to have just as much with the yellow, so I take it from the edge, and I'm just going to start mixing it to see how it goes. Now, that really isn't changing much, so I'm going to need a lot more yellow. Okay? A lot of yellow. And I want to try to get that perfect orange right in the middle. Okay, I'm starting to see it a little bit better now. Leave a little bit of yellow because you're going to need that for the blue when we make our green. Alright, so once you have it kind of worked out here, you can kind of use that messy mat to test it out. And I think that's a good orange, and then you're going to go in and paint evenly with that secondary color of orange, going right up to the line there with that orange. Okay. Once you have that filled in, you're going to move on to the next color, but you're going to use a different brush. But I'm going to go ahead and keep working on this one. Try to fill this one in here. Go right off the edge there, onto that messy mat, working with that orange. Sweep it right off the edge. Try to get rid of all those big lumps of paint that you might have there. Alright. So I'm going to set this brush off to the side because I'm going to use now, if I want to make the green, I want to go with this yellow brush, and I'm going to use that for my mixing one. So 3 brushes is important to have today. So we bring it over here, and then we just kind of blend it and mix it off to the side, trying to get that perfect green right in between. Usually you're going to need a little bit more yellow with your work here, but you're going to go ahead and fill that in. Keep working on it, making sure it's nice and even. Alright guys, so the last one would be the purple over here, or violet, and good luck with your work today.